Hi everyone, today I'm going to do a birthday card which was originally from one of my friends, but I decided to do it for a video today. So let's get started. So first, we're going to put a line in the middle no matter if you're on paper or a computer. We're gonna do 3 smiley faces, but of course you don't have to do this. You can do any kind of design you want, but I'm gonna do smiley faces since my friend loves emojis. I want you guys to guess the emoji I'm doing first. I'll give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. If you guessed heart eyes, you're correct. Now I'm doing the smiling emoji, a classic. This is my favorite one, the freezing emoji. It's so funny how it freezes with its icicles at the end. Now that I've finished all my emojis, it's time to do the background for my card. But before that, you need to do the name of the person you're giving it to, and that's one of my friends. Look at the background colors. I'm starting on the blue side, and I am doing grass. Now that I finished the grass, I'm gonna do the textures. Wow, this grass is almost filled up with texture. I'm going to start with the sun. First, I start with a few lines, color it in, do the sun rays. And last but not least, the cute little face. I'm going to start with the heads. And first, I'm going to do my friend Delphi. I'm going to do her hair, her scrunchie, her eyes, her lips, her clothes, and all of that. Challenge for you guys. If you can guess what I'm gonna draw on this shirt, then you're gonna be lucky. If you don't, it's okay, but just try to guess it. Did you guys guess it was a butterfly? If so, 2 thumbs ups for you. I'm almost finished with Delphi, so I can go to me. And I like the pink skirt I did. It's very cutesy. Now, this is my character. I'm gonna start on my hair and then go down to the eyes, the lips, and clothes. The same way like Delphi's, but a different style. Now, you guys may be wondering, why is my hairstyle different from Delphi's? Well, this is the real answer, because I don't like my hair tied. I like my hair getting loose, and I like being different. So if that question is answered, I answered it for you. Now let's get back to the drawing process of a card. Here's a fun fact about me. The reason why I chose a purple dress is because purple is my favorite color. And also because it gives me a sense of calm, and I like calm. And besides, it looks fancy. After I finish the legs, I am gonna work on my white classy shoes. Happy birthday! From Anya.